Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Already I have explained you question number third. So let us come to question number 4. No one asked me any doubt. I hope everybody finished the question, all the parts of question number third, because no one asked me any doubt. I have given explanation of each and every part of question number third. Now we are going to start question number 4. You see here, here are some pictures drawn on 1 centimeter square grid. Okay, draw the same pictures on a half-centimeter grid and also on 2 centimeter grid and find their areas, children. What they want to tell. Suppose, children, here you see in my book, sorry, in this, what they want to show you. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First, you see here 1, 2. If you will start count, not this one, leave this part and start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one 6. Okay, if you have to take half-centimeter grid, that means this type of graph you have to make, but each square is of half-centimeter. Suppose I have to draw here. So instead of, if you are taking the same type of graph, that means you have to, instead of 6, you will take only 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. Instead of 6, I have taken only 3. And this they have used to make this pencil point 1 and 2. And then we will use only 1. Okay, instead of taking, so we will use only 1. So that will be the half-centimeter grid. I hope you understood what I want to show you. Okay, so this is the way, half-centimeter we have to show. You just wait, let me rub this. Okay, then instead of that will become here. This is half-centimeter. I hope you understood. If you have to take 2 centimeter, that means instead of these 6, we will use 12, and these 2 instead of 4. Okay, if you are going to take this type of graph, otherwise the square should be of half. So this is the way you have to complete each and every activity. Okay, here also they have drawn. Okay, this one. Then all these pictures, you have one example I have given, and other remaining you have to do yourself, children. Okay, you have to make another graph, or you can paste by taking graph book. Okay, and then you can solve this one in your, as in the form of activity, children. And this is question number 5. Okay, that is, that fourth one we have taken in the form of activity, and question number 5 you have to solve. That is activity I have given. Question number 5. See the following map and choose the correct alternative for each question and write. Okay, in which direction is the garden located to temple? First, whose location they asked? Garden. This is garden. Okay, where is temple? This one is temple. And if you will move downward, that will be south direction. That is B option. Okay, second question. What is the distance from railway station to garden? Where is railway station? First of all, where is railway station? Railway station, this one. Okay, rail. What is the distance from railway station to garden? And here is garden. That is 2 plus 6. This 2 plus, sorry, 4. That is 6. Okay, so answer will be 6 kilometer. Now, towards east direction of which place is the temple located? Towards east direction of which place? First of all, टेम्पल किसके ईस्ट में है? वेर इज ईस्ट? दिस साइड. एंड ओके, this is east of which? This is what? This is school. So किसके ईस्ट में जा रहा है? स्कूल के. So option D is the correct one. Now question number 4. Which distance is the largest? Which distance is the largest? So from railways, first of all we will count 5 and 3 8, 4 and 2 6. So which one? School to colony. So what is that? From school to colony, and if you will move like that, 5 and 4 9, and then school to garden, that is okay. So option C. If you will move this way, then 9. If you this way, 7. This way, 6. And what I am telling, if you are moving like this, that is 9. If you will move this, that is 7. Direct straightward, 6. And here 8. So which one is from school to garden? Okay, so I hope you understood. So fourth is activity, and fifth question you have to do MCQ. So this chapter, I hope, eighth one very simple one and small one. So you complete it. Okay, so you complete in your notebook. Oh, sorry, yes, in your notebook.